Chapter 6 Types of Energy. Introduction. You must have seen a hand-spinning device called a pinwheel rotating. You might have made paper boats. So do you keep them in flowing water during rainy season? What happens if you keep this boat in steady water in a bucket? Paper boat will not flow, but will become steady. Have you ever thought what would be the reason behind this? Why things flow along with the flowing water during floods? While switching on the power supply, tube light and bulb starts glowing immediately. Do you know the reason behind this? There may be so many questions in your mind for which you need an appropriate answer, right? Well, answers to all such questions are related to energy and transformation of energy from one form to another. Forms of energy? What are the various forms of energy? Can you give examples of transformation of energy from one form to another? Is there any wastage of energy when energy gets converted from one form to another? Well, after learning this chapter, you will be in a position to answer these questions. There are two types of energy sources: renewable sources and non-renewable sources. Let us explore about them. Renewable energy sources. If energy becomes available from the source either immediately after its use or after a short time interval in a natural way, then the source is called a renewable energy source. These sources have existed in nature for billions of years and are expected to last for billions of years without getting exhausted. Energy from sources like the sun, wind, flowing water, or water stored at a certain height, internal heat of the earth, biogas, sea waves, etc. do not get depleted when used. Hence, such sources are called renewable sources of energy. Non-renewable sources of energy. The sources of energy from which, once the energy has been made used, cannot be replenished in natural way and in the near future, are called non-renewable energy sources. These sources have accumulated in nature over a period of millions of years and cannot be renewed quickly once exhausted. Mineral coal, mineral oil, natural gas, etc. are non-renewable sources of energy. Let us perform a small activity. Activity. Classify the following sources of energy into renewable and non-renewable energy sources, and after classification, click on Classification. Biogas, petroleum, wind energy, flowing water, sun, natural gas, mineral coal, and ocean energy. Well, biogas, flowing water, sun, ocean energy, and wind energy are renewable energy sources, while petroleum, natural gas, and mineral coal are non-renewable energy sources. Note: in this activity, each student will do classification and keep a note of it. After classification, each student has to compare his or her list with other students and add names of remaining energy sources in the list.